My introduction. My name is James Wright, and this is my 10 to 15 financial portfolio. My email address is mylunchtime@fcscu.org. This is my introduction. These are pictures of myself, some pictures of myself. These are some pictures of myself from last year. And these are my plans at the high school. My plans at the high school is to attend a 4-year out-of-state university and major in biology to get my bachelor's degree. Additionally, I plan to then attend a medical school and take the MCAT, which is the medical college admission test to get accepted into medical school. Likewise, I then plan to attend a residency for training. Lastly, I plan to take part in a fellowship to master an area of medicine and become an expert in the medical field. The university on the top is Emory University, and the university on the bottom is Harvard. Next slide. The requirements for Harvard University is that the GPA, you need at least a 4.18 to get into Harvard, the SAT score of at least 1,515, the ACT score of at least 34. The tuition for Harvard is $51,925. The room and board cost is $17,682. The meal plan is $6,755. The out-of-state fees is $15,742. Next slide is what type of student I am. What type of student am I? I am the number 13, the student who works hard for every grade because I study a lot to achieve high grades in my classes. Likewise, when it comes to my schoolwork, I put a lot of effort into my work and I set goals to complete my assignments. Furthermore, I am in 3DE, which is a program that prepares students for the real world. Overall, to me, 3D is a great program because it extends our learning experience and it gets me to think outside the box. My two potential career paths are a cardiologist and a corporate lawyer. Cardiologist on the left, corporate lawyers on the right, my two career clusters. Next slide, the research for corporate lawyer requirements. First, I must get a bachelor's degree from an accredited law school, which takes 4 years. Then I must get a Juris Doctor degree in law, 3 years. Then I must take the bar exam and pass it. After that, I must get a Master's of Law degree, 1 year. And the salary per career for corporate lawyer is $98,823. Then on the other hand, cardiologist requirements that I must get a bachelor's degree first from a public university, 4 years. Then I must attend a medical school, 4 years, 2 years for academic, 2 years for clinical training. Then I must attend a residency in internal medicine for 3 years. Then I must attend a cardiology fellowship, 3 to 4 years. A salary per career for cardiologists is $343,000. My income / my budgeting habit. My income, how will my career choice affect my income and lifestyle? My career choice will affect my income and lifestyle because the career I want to do, I will earn a high income depending on my skills and the level of experience. Moreover, the career I choose will affect my lifestyle in a positive way because I will have a good career job to earn money to pay bills, rent, or etc. And I will earn enough money in a savings account just in case a financial problem comes about. Unexpected expenses, for example. What can you do to help prevent overspending? My budgeting in the future will be that I plan to spend no more than $1,250 on rent, no more than $150 on my cell phone bill, and no more than $100 on eating out expenses. I can make a budget plan to help prevent overspending by knowing how much money is being spent each month and by eating out less to reduce total costs. My savings plans has my credit score. How do you plan to save money throughout your lifetime? Several banks I would choose are a savings account and an RIA account. Furthermore, I plan to save money throughout my lifetime by using the 50-30-20 budget rule. Thus, to spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and putting 20% away into my savings account. This is a picture of my credit score. How does a credit score influence the things you buy? A credit score influences the things. Credit score influences the things I can buy because if I have a good credit score, I can qualify for a lot of things like a particular good house, car, and credit cards if you need them. However, if you have a bad credit score, it may be hard for you to get a car loan. You may have high interest rates on credit cards and loans. Insurance protection. What is the purpose of auto insurance? The purpose of auto insurance is to help protect you from car accidents or car wrecks. If you get into one, you have car insurance, so you don't have to pay anything. Your insurance will pay for it for you. Likewise, this is even possible if you caused the accident or you didn't cause the accident because you have insurance either way it goes. Next, my investment plan. 10 stocks I will invest in include Nike, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Volkswagen, Sony, Kellogg, Coca-Cola, and Canon. How can investing in the markets help you earn more money or lose money? Investing in the market can help you earn more money by investing in stocks that are doing really well in the stock market and by risking a little bit of money into a stock, because you could gain or lose money by risking a lot of money. However, you can also lose money in the stock market by risking too much money in the stock market and possibly losing all your money. Next slide, my dream home. Why do some people buy places to live while others rent places to live? Some people buy places to live because if they buy a house, they will probably live there like a few years and they will have more furniture to need more storage space. So they will need to live there longer because they have more furniture. On the other hand, some people rent places to live because they may not have much furniture to have a lot of storage space. So they will only rent their place for probably a few months since they don't have a lot of items. Also, some people may rent simply because it's cheaper than buying a place to live, better maintenance, and it's easier to move to another city for a job that pays more without having to worry about selling your house on the market. This is a picture of my dream house that I can afford. Overall life. Why is it essential to set goals and have a financial plan? It is essential to set goals and have a financial plan because if you set some personal goals, you will have focus and determination towards achieving the goal you want to achieve in your lifetime. For example, if your goal is to maintain a good credit score, you will work hard to accomplish this goal and measure how long it will take to achieve it. Also, having a financial plan helps you to determine what short and long term goals you want to accomplish in life, and it helps to create a balanced plan. Most importantly, a financial plan helps you to budget your money properly to spend not too much and save your money for your other goals. This is a picture of a image reaching a goal, like example of climbing a ladder trying to reach a goal. Reflection. What did I learn about my college research? What I learned about my college research was that the career I want to do, it's going to take a lot of hard work and ambition to reach that specific career. Identically, I learned that I have to take into consideration on what I need to do to get to my dream career and the pathway I need to take in order for me to be successful in the career I want to do. What do you think about your career goals and how much money you will earn versus just only having a high school diploma? Besides, I think my career goals are good and attainable because I can aim for high standards for my career goals and achieve them in a timely manner. To be continued, I think I will earn more money in my career by having a secondary education because I will have more experience in the field I want to do. I can get better paying jobs too. In contrast with only having a high school diploma, I won't have much experience in the field I want to do, and I wouldn't be offered any high paying jobs because of no secondary education, which then it will make it harder for myself to reach my career goals. What did you learn about planning your finances? To conclude, when planning my finances, I learned that there's a lot of important factors I have to look at when determining my short and long term goals, and I learned that I have to maintain a good financial background when I get older and making the right everyday decisions in my life. Final thoughts. Final thoughts on the 10 to 15 year loan. My final thoughts on the 10 to 15-year plan is that I think it is a good layout for colleges and universities to see what type of overall student I am and how I can contribute I can how I can contribute to their school. Also, I think it's something I can come back to and look at in the future when I'm successful to see where I started with my dreams to where I am now financially in life. Alternative plans in case of adversity. My alternative plan would be to become a corporate lawyer and become and major in economics. Also, I would attend an accredited law school for a bachelor's degree too. What I have learned during this process, similarly, I have learned through this process what I need to do to get to my dream career, and I learned some important factors that will determine the outcome of my life. My favorite quotes. Some of my favorite quotes is one by Theodore Roosevelt that says, "Trust yourself that you can do it and get it." Theodore Roosevelt. Another quote is that if people are doubting how far you can go, go so far that you can't hear them anymore. By Michelle Root. Another quote I like is says, "When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but we often look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us." By Helen Keller. Another quote I like, it says, "Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway." By Eleanor Roosevelt. Another quote I like that says, "Work hard in silence. Let your success be the noise." By Frank Ocean. And here's a picture of uh motivation to reach your goal. It says impossible. It's a picture of somebody pulling to get to their goal. Values. What will your verse be? When I leave Banneker, I will want people to say that he was always striving for greatness when dealing with his academics. He will always complete his work on time with determination. Also, when I leave Banneker, I would want people to say about me that he would never let anybody stop him from reaching his full potential with his work, and he always stayed focused too. Another thing I want people to say was that he was very respectful to his peers and teachers. Whenever his teachers greeted him in the morning, he would always greet his teachers back with courtesy. Most importantly, I want people to say about me when I leave Banneker that he was always very polite and he would always answer a question when his teachers asked him or just in general. And that's it. Thank you.